Mityeng tabiriba pumnamakpu khurumjari NAMRATA GURUMAYUMna taramnokjari Sandokjari bathauram asi Impact TV gi entertainment news kayagi paudam puzarakliba Mami Mapao gi thauramni ngasi Mami Mapao gi chama kunthra taruk rak suba episode asida kari karamba mapao sing puzarakliba ge haibadu miyamda thamsage Mangarak Suba State Level Siroi Lily Festival 2025 Ukhrul District ki Siroi Village ki Heritage Ground da hogdokhibagi mapao Miss Universe Manipur 2025 Salangthem Nirupamana Miss Universe India da Manipur represent tauragani haibagi mapao Manipur da ihan hanba oina Imphal Russian Ballet Academy na sinduna Russian Ballet Festival pangthokhibagi mapao Mapok ama haina mingthon ba Manipuri feature film gi Yaifathoni Thauram pangthokhibagi mapao Sanakya amasung Makhokta Sanatay Bathang Festival of Art and Cultural Expression 2023-2024 da utkhibagi mapao So guys ngasi gi ahanba mapao da puzarakliba si Manipur gi annual cultural state festival ama oiriba 5th State Level Siroi Lily Festival 2025 Ukhrul District ki Vagyanda Leiba Siroi Village ki Heritage Ground da hodokre Numit mangani chupna chathariba festival sige manung channa tongan ba cultural event amadi entertainment ki event kaya yauna adventure activities sea rock amadi Miss Siroi Lily 2025 pangthokliba sige mapao asi miyam punna mityeng taminarasi
Numit mangani chupna pangthokadaba Manipur gi annual cultural state festival ama oiriba 5th state level Siroi Lily Festival 2025 Ukhrul district ki Siroi village ki heritage ground da hodokre festival asi May 20 dagi hoduna May 24 fawba Ukhrul jil inaw singna maru oiba thobu oiduna Ukhrul district ki tongan ba mafam sing da pangthokli Festival asigi manung channa sea chef cooking competition camping jeff lining amadi biking na chingba adventure activity sing Ukhrul gi jorcheng da pangthokli consing turf ground na football match sing amadi TTA holda movie screening sing chathari Siroi village ki Vagyanda Leiva heritage ground na tongan ba cultural event kaya galoina na entertainment ki oiba thauram kaya pangthokli Festival asigi maruoiba event amasu oiriba Siro Numidangi matamda Baksi ground da pangthokli loinana festival asigi manung chana Miss Siroi Lily 2025 ngasi numidang heritage ground da pangthokli
Get it how you live it. 10 toes in when we standing on business. I'm a big stepper. Underground methods. Got nachos, get the most of the lizard. Straight choppers, put them aside. I'm shoving it, I'm on the ride. I'm liking the ideas, put them on the shine. Never did the script. Eyes locked on my target like I got it massage. Cause I'm a little bit of package when it comes to crowd schemes. Surrounds me, my navigation, so I be riding with high beams. When I feel low, like flow rider, I step up to the streets. I'm waiting, I guess we finality to you. And you know assassin, I take a shot to the back. It's a bishop, empty like Wilson. I'm a super give this rap is no star. I got vision like ready, now I'ma go and get it like Yashina Ikairatuna Shida Nalaklandasu Nangudi Tado boy Janave Janave Nong Lei Shina
Java Oina Yonage Haina Lakna Kasu Nambudi Tatoy
Slow me down. Hey, mama. Hey, my dude. Playing in a rocking band. Hey, mama. Look at me. I'm on my way to the promised land. Come on, everybody. I'm on a highway to hell. On a highway to hell. I'm on a highway to hell. On a high, I'm on a fleet shirt, dreaming about the day when you wake up and find and what you're looking for has been here the whole time. If you could see that I'm the one who understands you, been here all along, so why can't you see? You belong with me. You belong with me.
It's you. Tell me who the F is you. I'm the realest on the city, man. You know I am cool. Man, you know I am cool. Used to be broke, and I am still broke. But I'm rolling with this nigga you can never could afford. Hey. What's up, crew? How are you guys feeling?
State asida thokliba conflict asina maram oiraga chahi ani lepluraba matung pangthokliba Manipur gi annual cultural state festival amasu oiriba 5th state level Siroi Lily Festival 2025 mapung fana pangthokpa oirasanu haina Mami Mapao gi maikai dagisu thamsari chahi asigi November 18 da Thailand na yumbu oiraga pangthokadawriba annual international major beauty pageant amasu oiriba 74th Miss Universe 2025 asida India represent taunabagidamak Miss Universe India 2025 pangthokadawriba asida Miss Universe Manipur 2025 Sarangthem Nirupamana Manipur represent tauragani haibagi mapao asi amuk miyam punna mityeng taminasi
Miss Universe Manipur 2025 Sarangthem Nirupamana Miss Universe India da Manipur represent tauragani Lakliba November 21st da Thailand da pangthokadawriba annual international major beauty pageant ama oiriba 74th Miss Universe 2025 asida India represent taunabagidamak Miss Universe India 2025 asi pangthokadawribani Miss Universe India 2025 asigidamak tongan ba state ki winner singna national competition asida saruk yagani Hojik faubagi oina Miss Universe India 2025 pangthoknabagi mafam amadi matam lepa leitri Miss Universe Manipur 2025 Sarangthem Nirupama mamangda Miss Manipur 2022 19th edition of Mega Miss Northeast 2023 Tarak Krabini Miss Universe Manipur 2025 Sarangthem Nirupama Kakching District ki Kakching Khunau Lamhaba Laikai jagi Sarangthem Ranjan Singha amadi Sarangthem Ongbi Mongoloi Devi anigi Mari Subi Machanupini Hojik Punjab ki Ludhiana da laiva CD University da degree in psychology tamli maruoina Manipur da thokliba conflict asigi chaitheng phangliba singda mateng khara da oiraba su pangba ngamnabagi pandamda mahakna degree asi tamlakhibani hairi
Miss Universe Manipur 2025 Sarangthem Nirupamana Miss Universe India 2025 ta mai paktuna Thailand da pangthokadawriba annual international major beauty pageant 74th Miss Universe 2025 ta suksoi soidana saruk yaba oibiu haina Mami Mapao gi maikai dagi yaifamangol pizari matang swai sida yamna tenba break amatang laujage khonglai yangna hanjarake Impact TV bu mityeng taduna leibiu
Hey, Mahapapi! Yeah, me masak kangdam saradana. Noi ponmak ising manung sida pulap namjilura. Ha? Pulap namjiluro.
Ibungo yai mani da sidia.
Mahabharat ki wari paringdagi miyamna audio cassette oina thoina hena tana kharaba Impact Entertainment Channel na puduna lakchari
Zagat asina kunti gi matik magun khangna naba thawoina sinba oiba tai.
Are iba pot hapko aiba yumugi bai kadu tajarabani na imung duna leiramba pot chai makai loina lobudi yarabani adumako Madusu nasana taujiram de palibango.
Himna kanana sariba kuntina kanana sariba Arjun sariba sina kanaba uirigaba pumnamak mitmang the tamduna anoba mahawa makudol tamjagadabani.
Na paijarba jing kubama se Priti matai mai be magitakta sai thokjage.
Yengo nangi namang da bagabana putigom pambi gi masakoy na leplare namit pangkog lo kunti yengo kunti
Laibak pukpun namit kuding inamidang waram pung taruk taba matam sandok jagadaba amade matang ginamit yum sakasya namit kinong tilpung amataba kudingi repeat telecast tawjagadurba thauramase sungsoi soidana sandok jaragani soidana makmiyang tabiyo Impact Entertainment Channel da Mahabharat ki wari paring.
Welcome back. Adom na mityeng tabiriba si Impact TV da sandok chariba Mami Mapao gi chama kuntra taruk raksuba episode ni. Break ki matung da puzarak liba Mapao sina. Manipur gi ahan ba Russian Ballet Institute ama oiriba Imphal Russian Ballet Academy na sinduna. Manipur da ihan hanba oina Russian Ballet Festival Porompata lairiba Jennings Hospital gi auditorium da mai pak na pangthok ki bagi Mapao si amuk miyam punna mityeng taminasi.
Russian Ballet Festival Manipur da ihan hanbo aina Imphal East ki Porompata laiba Jennings Hospital gi auditorium da pangthokre. Festival pangthokpada achauba thodang lauriba Imphal Russian Ballet Academy ki director amasung ballet teacher Zingrin Muivana phongdorakpada Manipur gi angang sing asi talent yamna lei Russian dance form asi lamdam asi gi haurakliba angang singa yamna chanaba amasu oi hairakli. Imphal Russian Ballet Academy asida ahan begi oina angang kuntra mangana Russian dance form asi tamli. Imphal Russian Ballet Academy na sinduna pangthokliba Russian Ballet Academy asida Manipur gi ahanba Russian Ballet Institute amasu oiriba Imphal Russian Ballet Academy gi pikliba ballet dancer singna makhoi gi fazaraba performance sing adu utki. Festival asida Russian Classical Ballet Delhi gi director Galina Laikhovana sarukyaki.
Ma'am, first of all, congratulations for successfully holding this event.
Thank you.
So can you please tell me a bit about this event, that, what's the objective of, celebrating this kind of event here in Jennings Auditorium?
Okay. So, this is the annual show of our first year students. So after every year, when we complete, we always host the annual show. So this is our first annual show, and we did on the theme Spring Festival. Yeah.
This festival is particularly based on internationally acclaimed art form, ballet, right?
Yes.
So why do you have to choose ballet?
Ballet because I grew up learning ballet. So I learned for 10 years and I also taught in Delhi for 10 years. Then recently I moved back and I wanted to start here. So my own academy. That's why this is my first show.
Yeah, so what happened is that in Manipur, ballet is a kind of a very new art form as compared to the other art forms.
Yes.
We have our own original classical ballet, but the traditional original ballet is quite new to us. So after the show, how did the audience reacted to this kind of a show?
I also haven't seen exactly the reaction, but I feel that according to the turnout today, I am very shocked to see that there were so many people who were interested, and also a lot of people called to do admissions for the next semester. So I am very overwhelmed with the response that I have received just from this one show.
Yeah, and congratulations for that.
Thank you.
Any last word that you would like to address to our viewers regarding this festival?
I just want to say that since ballet is new, and I know that there's a lot of hesitation to join ballet and what is ballet, I just want to say that you can come, ask me, we can take trial classes, and this is not only open for kids but also for adults, because I see that a lot of adults have missed out in this when they were in their childhood. And I feel like ballet is not just for kids, but it's also to keep your body fit, and we're welcome for all the adults too.
Manipur da ahanba oina Imphal Russian Ballet Academy na sinduna Russian Ballet Festival ama mai pakna pangthokhiba sida Mami Mapao gi maikaidagi su thagatpa amadi nungaiba phongdokchari. Loinana tungkoina ballet dancer kaya amasu mai pakna puthokpirau haiba wafam thamjari. Mapok ama haina mingthonba Manipuri feature film gi yaiphathoni thoram Lairenjam Makha Lekaida pangthokre. Lainingthau lam ahingba film industries ki banner makhada taret suba production asigi yaifa thauni thoram pangthokibagi mapao asi amuk miyam punna mityeng taminasi.
Mapok ama haina mingthonba Manipuri feature film gi yaifa thoni thoram Imphal West gi Lairenjam makha lekai da pangthokre lining thau lam ahingba film industries gi banner makhada tare suba production oina puthokadoriba Mapok ama haina mingthonba Manipuri feature film asigi producer na Sunita Radha amadi director na Sudhir Kangjamni film asigi story writer Victoria Yumlembam cinematography da Ibomsa Irom editor na Bimol Sharma lyricist da Birs Gupta Shramni film asida saktam langliba singna Dayananda Manganba Ratana Mangolzau Zevidya Ratan Mukhai Gayatri Mary Geeta Linthoi Yaisana amadi Naresni film asida sai shaklibana Chitra Pangambam music da Rahul Blue custom da Pabitra amadi makeup da Jane da Kainoni
Mapok ama haina mingthonba Manipuri feature film athuba matamda apanba madi ayetpa amata yaudana mai pakna miyamda khudol tawba ngamba oiresanu haina Mami Mapao gi maikaidagi thamjari. Aroibeda puzarakliba Mapao asina hawjik chathariba art and cultural expression 2023-24 gi manung channa changangai uchekonda laiba Hongnem Sang Anti Theater da Theater Mirror Manipur gi production makhada cultural activist Ningthaucha Lanchana direction piba sanakya amasung makhokta sanatai bathang utkibagi mapawasi amuk miyam punna mityeng taminasi.
Ningthaucha Lanchana direction piba sanakya amasung makhokta sanatai bathang Festival of Art and Cultural Expression 2023-24 da utkre sanakya amasung makhokta sanatai bathang hairiba play asi Theater Mirror Manipur gi production makhada cultural activist Ningthaucha Lanchana direction piba galoinana laikhitraba khundrakpam Brajasana Evani play asi changangai uchikonda laiba Hongnem Sang Anti Theater da chathariba Art and Cultural Expression 2023-24 gi manung channa utkivani.
Art and Cultural Expression 2023-24 State asida thokliba conflict asina pangthokpa yadana laklaba matung hauzik chathariba asida mai pakna pangthokpa oibio haiba wafam Mami Mapao gi maikaidagi thamjari. And that's all we have in this episode. Mathangi episode ta anauba Mapao kaya galoinana amuk lakchage. Until then, keep watching Impact TV, and yes, never forget to subscribe our channel and to leave your suggestions and feedbacks in the comment box. Till then, bye-bye.